Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix Instagram followers dropping. In case your followers are dropping eventually, then we will see the easiest way to fix this issue. First, you have to make sure that you have the app and you are also logged in. But before opening to it, you have to make sure that it is fully up to date. For that, you have to simply go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and then simply search for Instagram and check if there's any update available. You just have to update it. But if it is updated, then there's no issue to do any other thing. Then you just have to simply go to the settings of the Instagram app. Once you get there, you have to go to the storage and then you have to clear cache, and after that you have to also clear its storage and click on OK. Once you're done with it, just simply get back and there you will see the icon. Simply open it up. Then just simply log in with your credential and password, and after that you will see the dropping issue will be fixed. This issue could be any sort of glitch, so once you go through the steps that I have done in this video, then your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Instagram followers dropping. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you so much for watching the video.